Now what I want to do is to make the brass tab for my super glider. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to a new standard IPT, start 2D sketch, our XY plane. And then what I want to do is I want to use my circle tool. I want to grab my circle tool and draw a circle. Now to dimension a circle, we do click dimension, click the edge of our circle, and I want this circle to be a ½ inch, so 0.5 inches. Once I'm done with that, I click finish sketch. I want to extrude this circle. I want this circle to be 0.12 inches. So 0.125 inches. And then click OK. So now what we want to do is we want to go and we want to go up to this box that says chamfer. I'm sorry, go up to this box that says fillet. If we want to put a fillet on there, and we want to use a 0.125 inch fillet or an 1/8 inch fillet. So what I'm going to do is just click that and then apply. So now once I have that on there, I want to go to the back side of this, and I want to put a new sketch on this face. And I want to go to project geometry, select that geometry. I now want to take and put a rectangle on this. And I want to try to get it so it's somewhat centered. And I want the rectangle to be 0.5 inches, so dimension 0.05 inches rather, 0.05 by 0.075 inches. Click OK. I can just drag it. Now it doesn't have to be perfectly centered, but we want it to be close. Now once I have that done, I'm going to click finish sketch. I want to extrude this rectangle, and I want that rectangle to be extruded a ½ of an inch. And say OK. Now, what I want to do now is take and put a new sketch right on this face here. I want to do a new sketch. I want to take and check my geometry. And again, I'm going to take my rectangle tool, and I want to put a rectangle right on this end here. Now, I want to make sure I have a green dot on the end. I'm going to drag this down. I want to make sure I'm sharing the lines. And then what I want to do is take and put, once I have that rectangle on, and what I want to do is I want to take and dimension that to be 0.05 inches also. So I'm going to dimension this here to here. I want that to be 0.05 inches. And now what I want to do is I want to extrude this. And I want to extrude that. Let's see here. When I select that, I want to extrude it 0.75 inches, so 3/4 of an inch. And then what I want to do is click this tab right here to make it symmetric. And say, okay. So let's take a look at what we have. Now we can take and change the color. And we're going to use a brass tab. This is what we're going to use so that we can engage our launcher. So we can launch our vehicles, and we want to make sure we save it to there.